Hey praisers and savers, I am at Walmart ready to do another Ibotta haul. Actually I'm getting married tomorrow, so is it normal to go couponing the day before you get married? In my world, yes, and this isn't the only deals I'm doing today, so I'm trying to hit up Publix, Kroger, CVS, and Walmart today. So you know, that's just a normal behavior for me. But anyway, so head into Walmart. I've already completed some amazing Ibotta hauls. So I have completed all 3 of my long hauls. So I did the climb, done. Peak, done. Long haul, done. So all 3 of those are done. I think I got like $15 for that. Today and then yesterday, I also completed the summer blooming bonus. The only thing that was holding me up was like the one online purchase until like I ordered a 99-cent water from Walgreens to pick it up, and I got my blooming bonus. And then in addition to that, I got my my midweek bonus. That was done. And then I also got my June 2nd bonus. So I did all of that in a week. That's insane. So today what I'm working on is my Weekend Warrior and my June 3rd bonus. So I should get both of those in this transaction. Now there are going to be some repeat deals in here. That's okay. If you got the deals, use the deals. So I'm going to go in and get some things that I've been getting, some Oreos and other stuff. I don't care. I'm going to get them again. I'm going to show you what to do again, and I'm so excited about it. I've got some new things to show you today, so stay tuned. And after this, I'll be heading to Publix, so watch out for another video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you know whenever I'm uploading new videos. All right, guys, let's get this going. So I'm so excited about this Coppertone deal. We're doing the pure and simple. I actually had to climb the shelf to go get some because they were up there, and my store was all out on the shelf. So always look up high, you might find it. So okay, here's the deal. I think these are, I scanned them on the Walmart app. These are $9.98. Okay, that's not the right price. I just put them here. They're $9.98. All right, so I'm gonna get 2 of them. Okay, 2 of them is gonna be $19.96. All right, I'm gonna use this $5 off coupon. Okay, I'm gonna use a $5 off coupon for 2. And then there are 2 Ibottas coming off. There are 2 Ibottas, so it's going to add up to $5.50 for both. So when you do 2 of those, and you're going to be able to do this deal up to a limit of 3 on Ibotta, it's going to be $11. So you're taking off $11 on Ibotta rebate, not taking off a rebate, and there's $5. So you're going to get both of these just for $3.96. So that's less than $2 each for some really good sunscreen. So guys, pick it up if you have the coupon. You could just do this deal one time and do the $2 off coupon if you wanted to. And it's going to just be a difference of what, 50 cents or something like that. But you'll still get the 2 Ibotta rebates that are coming off. So check it out. Amazing deal. Thank you to Ohio Valley Couponer. Actually shout out to him because he graduated from college yesterday. So he's all done. So if you haven't checked out Ohio Valley Couponer, please do so. All right, guys, thanks on that. Next deal coming up. These Tide Hygienic Clean Pods, they are $11.97. The Ibotta app rebate is back for $3, and they'll also have this $3 off coupon that I can use. So it's going to make these just $5.97 for a large thing. Don't forget these Sparkle Terror Squares. Again, they are $3.97. There's $1 back on Ibotta making these $2.97. There's a limit of 5 on this, so you can pick up 5 packs if you need them, but I will not today. I was in the Tupperware section, but someone was over there when the workers, and I don't like filming with the workers around me, so I came away from it. So these are $3.97. There's the 6 count, 3 containers, and the 3 lids. $3.97, and there's a $3 Ibotta coming off, which just makes these 97 cents. Every time they put this out, I buy all they have. There's a limit of 5 on this. So 97 cents per pack of containers. Amazing. I'm going to be Oreo'd out at my house. So there is a 2-part deal to this on Ibotta. The first deal is you buy the family size, they'll definitely double stuff, but family size pack of Oreos. When you buy the family size pack, you're paying $3.07. You're getting a Dynasty Oreo for free if you have Dynasty Oreos in your store. I had to find mine. Mine were in the back. So then I'm going to get this for free. So then if there's another Ibotta where if I buy a pack of Dynasties, I get those for free. Well, because those Ibotta rebates are combining, I'm going to get both packs of these Dynasty Oreos for free. So that's $7 and, let's see, 34 cents worth of Oreos for free. You're only paying for the family size, which is $3.67. So free and free. submit both Ibotta again. And I've gotten this deal a couple times now. I've been putting these in my salad or just snacking on them. Make sure it's the green one, the less sugar one. They're $2.12. You're going to do 2 Ibotta rebates. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate and a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, just making these 87 cents when you get your rebate. Being totally stocked up on Oreos. My family's also totally stocked up on this Nestle Splash. So these are $1.48. I still have some of these $1 off coupons printing off. And so this makes just 48 cents. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy 3 of these waters. You're going to use 3 of these printable coupons from coupons.com. That comes to a total of $4.44. When you use the 3 coupons, it makes it $1.44. Then there's 2 rebates going on with Ibotta. There's a 75-cent when you buy 3, and there's a 50-cent bonus. And I'm at my limit of 50-cent bonuses on this deal, so that's $1.25 off. So that makes all 3 of these packs of water just 19 cents. So 19 cents for all 3 packs. Amazing. Gummy clusters, and I just think my Walmart wants me to climb today. They're way at the top. So let me grab that. The best story. So I cannot get the Nurse gummy clusters. Like, this shelf is rocking. So I'm just kind of sitting there, and I look over, and this really tall man's walking by, and I just start smiling at him, and he's like, he just walks right over. He's like, I know what she wants. So I think I pretty much cleared my store. But these Nerd gummy clusters are 98 cents. We have a 50-cent Ibotta coming off on these, making these just 48 cents per box. Make sure they are the gummy clusters, not the regular Nerds. The regular Nerds do not work. There's a limit of 5 on this. So I'm gonna pick up all, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, yep, 5 boxes. Making these just 48 cents each. Amazing. Frigo tree cheese. We got this last time with the Parmesan. They got Parmesan, they got the blue cheese, and they've got the feta. I'm getting the feta today. They are $2.08. There's a 75-cent Ibotta coming off of these. Go over here to my formula real quick. What is my math? Oh yeah, it's making these just $1.33. Remember guys, this printable breakdown will be in the description box. Pick some of these up for my brother. He uses these. These are $3.48. And this is a Moneymaker, so I'm going to use a $2 off coupon. It says on any one Splenda Stevia product, and this is any one. And then there's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making these a 52-cent Moneymaker. This can be done 5 times, so if you have 5 coupons, pick it up. So in my last video, I got asked a couple questions about how I got my total so low at checkout, because I didn't just use coupons, but I also used my rebate apps. And of course, rebate apps, you don't get the money now, you get the money later. So what I do, let me straighten my camera out for a second. Can't get my camera straight today. So what I do is I do the same thing that I do at CVS. I roll the rebates. So I use rebates from my last transaction. So I like to, because it makes me feel like I have control, print off e-gift cards. And these e-gift cards come from Ibotta, Swagbucks, Fetch, Shopkicks, all those rebate apps. And so then, let me move out of the way for a second. So then whenever I get those, I print off my e-gift cards. So this one's like $10. All right, this one is for $5. This one's for $25. So I've got right here $40 in just e-gift cards. And then right now I have about $90 on my Ibotta app. And so that's how I can get my total as low as possible. And so I'm constantly just rolling over the Ibotta purchases and the Swagbucks and Fetch, Shopkicks, all that purchases from last time. And I cash them in, getting my e-gift cards, and I make my total as low as it can be at checkout. So it's not just couponing, it's also using those rebate apps as well. Guys, if you're not part of like Ibotta, Fetch, Shopkick, Swagbucks, all those rebate apps, my code is in the description box. Please use it. It helps you out. You get a little bit. It helps me out. I get a little bit as well. So let's check out and see what we got. All right, Praisers and Savers. Just got back from Walmart. I've done these deals a couple times, most of them. The Coppertone is different. Stevia is different as well. But if they're going to keep giving me these amazing deals back in Ibotta, I'm going to keep on getting it. So first and foremost, I did receive my my level 3 June bonus. So I got that. And then I also got the Weekend Warrior bonus. So I was able to do that as well included, but I didn't include it in the price here. So I was able to get everything you see in this picture. It was a total of $84.39. And I did get multiples of things. You know, I got like multiples of the waters and the multiples of the containers and the Stevias. Remember, the Stevias were Moneymakers right there, 52 cents each. So that's $1.04 Moneymaker there. And the Dynasty Oreos were absolutely free. I only paid $16 with my coupons and my rebates from Ibotta. Didn't do any Shopkick, $5. Fetch was just a 25 points like normal for any receipt. So $16 for all the products you see here. That is amazing. Wow. Super excited about that. I think I have about 20 products here. 3, 6, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 products. There's 22 products. I only paid $16 for it. Unreal. So thankful for all this. So guys, please keep watching. Continue watching the videos to save that money. Make sure that you subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see my next videos and share with your friends. All right, thanks, praisers and savers. I'm getting married tomorrow. Wish me luck.